Hello mga kaugmad, another day, another recipe for today's video. Traditional Chinese dessert ang ating gagawin. Kailangan natin yung bean curd sheet, pearl barley, ginkgo nuts, rock sugar. First, we need to wash and soak the barley or the pearl barley. And then wash also the ginkgo nuts and get some pot and put some water and boil the ginkgo nuts for 35 minutes in a medium fire. And then soak the bean curd sheet para lumambot, at kailangan natin yang baliin yung bean curd sheet natin para mailagay natin sa bowl with water. So para mailubog yun sa water. So on the other pot, boil the barley with the rock sugar for 45 minutes or hanggang sa lumambot at maluto. So yung ating binoil na ginkgo nuts ay luto na. So we need to remove the shells and take out the nuts, and also take the brown skin from the nuts hanggang puti na yung makita mo na yung nuts na talaga. And after that, tapos na ang ating ginkgo nuts, i-check natin yung ating binoil na barley. And then ilagay natin yung ating bean curd sheet. Halo-haloin lang, at saka ilagay natin ang ating ginkgo nuts na binalatan kanina. And then simmer until na makuha nyo yung consistency na gusto ng amo nyo. May mga amo na gusto ng ganyan, at mayroon din yung parang wala ka nang makikitang bean curd sheet, parang milk na siya. So at this time, luto na ang ating dessert. So you can add milk for more creaminess. For more easy recipe, please do like and share. Thank you.